Hi guys, Stress Awareness Month, April 6th edition. This is the simplified reading. April is National Stress Awareness Month. People can learn about stress this month. Everyone feels stressed sometimes. Changes at home and school can cause stress. Trying new things can cause stress. Right now, everybody's probably a little stressed out because we're doing virtual learning and it's new. It's changed our schedule and it's changed how we do things. You're now learning at home. Stress can make you feel sad, mad, or scared. You can do activities to feel less stress. So when you get stressed, you can be really, really mad or super duper sad. Or you can even be scared. And that's okay. But there's ways that you can help with stress. You can talk to a parent about stress. You can talk to a school counselor. A school counselor works in a school. So you can talk to people and that can help with stress. You can do exercise or something that you enjoy doing, drawing, reading, sleeping. And then also, if your parents have the ingredients, you're welcome to try the Less Stress smoothie. Half a cup of orange juice, cup of orange sherbet, 2 bananas peeled and sliced, and 15-ounce can of peaches drained. Half a teaspoon of vanilla and a blender. You put it all in there and blend it up and drink it. So I hope you guys are doing well and you're doing some things to manage your stress level. And remember, I'm always here if you need me. Have a great day.